Hey. Yeah, you going crazy. You pissed. Yeah.
That's okay.
Predator. Whoa. Yeah, it kind of opens up in here. Yeah, they like this. Yeah, look at how dirty she is, guys. Look at her. The car is stuck in the mud. I bought this like neck gaiter thing. It helps a lot with the hay. Oh my goodness. Oh.
That's what I say. I don't know.
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Zay and A. We're out here. We're about to chicken coop. This is kind of what we have as a chicken coop right now. We do plan on like building an actual one, but this is what we've been using. We want to move the sheep, so we're thinking of moving it over there. The chickens like the brushy area, so we're thinking of putting it there for now, and then later building a coop there. And I would like it right there too because it's by the house, so it's not too far. House is over there. So yeah, we're gonna try to move that over there. I'm gonna throw some feed in there, and we're hoping the chickens go in and we can lock them in because we want to move the sheep. We're gonna have to let Blue out, and Blue, we can't trust him. He's still eating the chickens, so we want to lock them up for their safety and move Blue with the sheep and have him be out. We've been having him locked up over here. Move the sheep too because it's been raining a lot, and as you can see, all the mud, and it's gross. Blue, we want to move them to some drier land and for them to get some fresh grass too. Huh, Daisy? Yeah. Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Daisy. Yeah, Layla be acting bad. She all muddy. But yeah, we're gonna move the sheep. And we plan on herding the sheep back and forth from the pen to the new designated area. Zay's gonna have to point that out because I don't know exactly where we're gonna move them. But it'd be nice to get them around the land because they're fertilize the land. And to just get them out of their poop because there's so much poop in here and it's muddy. So I feel like they'll like it. I don't like that their hooves are always exposed to wet ground either. Huh, guys? All the sheep are fat. Pretty sure all of them are pregnant. We'll see. They should have babies in January. The soonest. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We might have some lambs in the winter. No! Go. 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 Layla, you be bad. I don't know. You're not supposed to drink their water. We leave her out water and she drinks their water. It's so annoying. We're gonna have to get a dog kennel for Layla too, because she be chasing the sheep, well, just running around the pen constantly. It's she's scaring the sheep, so we plan on building a pen for her. It's just so much things we need to do. So little time. Zay looking at me. Zay, are you ready to move this? You ready to move this? Zay looking serious.
I think we're I kind of want to move them in the trees, but I'm just going to cut. I might cut some of the stuff back in there. It's a nice spot, but
Yeah.
I thought about moving them over there, though. It's pretty much wide open.
Yeah.
It's not as much grass.
Zay moving the IBC toad. It's heavy. You saw the bedding in there. It makes it really heavy. Oh wait, their water.
Oh damn, it's an egg.
Oh yeah. I should have taken it out. There's an egg in there. I don't even want the egg.
She's going crazy.
Yeah, cause that's her egg. Oh, we're sorry. We gotta move it. We gotta move it, chicken. What, you grabbing it? Oh man. I do not want to dig in there because there's so much poop in there. Yeah, that chicken right there is going crazy because her egg is in there. We meant to take it out. You find your egg. Yeah, I'd put it where it's kind of open. Hey. Yeah, you going crazy. She pissed. Yeah. This is the spot. Chicken. Oh, here she comes. We got a mama chicken. She ain't happy.
Find your egg in there.
Now we're gonna have to, I'm gonna get them feed, and I'm hoping I can lure them to the coop. We'll see. Yeah, they're curious. Oh my goodness, almost fell. They're curious. Knew they're gonna, some of them are gonna be curious. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot. I would have grabbed the egg. I meant to. Yeah, it could have been more in there. I didn't see more in there though this morning. I looked for eggs. I didn't see any. But I gotta grab their stuff out of there. So I was feeding them. It's their stuff I was feeding them with is in there. Oh, look, it went in there. They're going in there. Shoot. I think it's looking for her egg. Ugh. Layla, go. Dang, that stuff I was feeding them with is gone. It's buried. I'm not gonna be able to find it unless we dump this. Chicken, what are you doing? Oh, are you looking for your egg or eating feed? Huh? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, chicken. What? Layla the predator. Hey, get out of here. I'm gonna have to feed them with something else because I cannot find it in there. It's buried. There's a lot of bedding in there. We put like a whole bag from Tractor Supply. I'm gonna grab something else for them. You building them a perch?
See if I can make it stay up, but I don't know. We'd have to come out the other side.
Yeah. I'm gonna find something to feed them with. Oops. Let's see. Oh man, it's so muddy. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. We got our stuff everywhere. We want to organize. I can't use these pans anymore. We don't have a stove, like an oven, I mean, so I don't trust putting this stuff in the wood stove. I feel like it would melt. I'm using this for the chickens now. I'm gonna leave it over here for now until I get them some feed. Yeah, y'all already know. We'll have to put some feed in there. Yummy. We're gonna have to find a door and to cover the coop in so they can't get out. I don't know what to use. Might have to use some of this plywood over here. This plywood. We're gonna have to use something to close it in. Do they look like they're going over there? I'm trying to think. Where's the rest of them though? Because there's only 3. We're trying to keep the chickens we have alive, so we're trying to do this smart. I guess we're gonna lock up the chickens tonight because they kind of already know to go in there. We've been kind of training them. at nighttime to go in there, the IBC tote. So we're gonna try this out at night. Just the difference is I won't let them out. We'll keep them in there. I gotta make sure to get them some water and food. And then maybe tomorrow we'll try to enclose it to where they can walk out a little bit, but we'll see. Yeah. Layla being bad. Oh yeah, this is nice. The grass. Yeah. There's the grass over here. It's green. It's nice. And then like a predator. Yeah. Whoa! What the hell? We don't know what just happened. They're running from something. What is going on? Chicken's gone. Lena. That was crazy. Thing about putting the sheep over here. Watch my step. My blackberry snuck up on me. That hurt real bad. Oh wow, yeah, there's grass. It looks nice over here. Yeah. Oh shoot. Let's see. I don't know. I guess I'll go this way. Yeah, it kind of opens up in here. Yeah, they like this. This area where it's green, so they have something to eat. That's nice. And it's, since there's grass over here, it's drier, which is nice because where they're at is all muck. But yeah, I didn't know it opened up like this back here. That's nice. You can kind of see the road. You can kind of see the road over there. So we're at like the edge of our land. What side would you say we're on? What side are we on? The east side of the land? The east edge? Because there's the road. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. They would like it. It's pretty spacious. They can walk around. It's open up enough.
Oh, yeah.
What are you cutting? Mm. Yeah, just cut a border. So we can almost put the fence out now. It's pretty spaced open. I'll play, let's see. Look at how dirty she is, guys. Look at her. I gotta give her a bath. You dirty. Rain clouds. Starting to see rain clouds. I'm rushing back now. I'm about to go feed the sheep before it rains. I hate feeding the sheep when it's raining. It's just a mess. And like, oh, it was looking to be a nice day. The sun came out. It felt nice. Now the sun is covered and it's about to rain again. I gotta hurry up and get the sheep fed. I'm tired. I'm about to put on my thicker jacket. It's starting to get cold. I wonder if the chickens went in the coop. Animals always can sense when a storm is coming. So yeah, we're probably gonna move them tomorrow. We already had a deal where we want to put them, and we're gonna herd them over there, and then we're gonna herd them back in the pen at night. We gotta move everything over there. I'll probably leave their water in there because we have 2 mini pools to use for water. But we're gonna have to move their troughs over there. Well, or at least split them half and half. We'll see. Hopefully we are able to get the chickens in there. I feel like we will, so that's really why we couldn't move them today. We want Blue to be with them because he's their guardian. So I'm about to put on a thicker jacket before I feed them. And yes, we're in a situation where we only got 1 vehicle because the car is stuck in the mud. What are the odds? And now it's filling with water, so that's really bad. So we're going to have to figure that out. Yeah, yikes. I use some rocks or use something to get the car up. I'm about to feed the sheep. I bought this like neck gaiter thing. It helps a lot with the hay. The hay was like really getting to me. I'd be coughing all the time because it was going into my lungs when I was getting them hay. And I'll move this stuff out of the way. But what we've been doing is I fill up the truck bed. You can see previous hay in there with a bunch of hay, and then carry it to their pen and put it in the troughs. That's like been their setup. It's been the easiest until we get them a feeder or build them a feeder. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. And then we gotta pump the water in there. We've been trying to get water too. It's getting low. But yeah, we want to create a better system of getting them hay and stuff. We just haven't had the time. Alright, so this is the amount of hay I usually get them. It would be more if the water barrels were in the way, but I try to fill up the truck bed completely so they have hay throughout the day. But yeah, I'm about to take this to the sheep and I'll show y'all how I get the hay in the animal pen. Yeah, you can hear shooting their gun off. It'd be lively out here hunting season. got the sheep fed. Now I'm ready to go get something to eat. Let's see what Zay says. Zay. Zay, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, it's so muddy. I almost got stuck twice. I was trying to get the truck to where we can pump the water. I almost got stuck. Are you hungry? We gotta go to the store and get some food. I'm starving. Come on, chicken! Chicken, chicken, chicken! Chicken! Come on! There's a tray thing I have for them. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Chicken!
Still trying to get up there.
We got a chicken up in the trees. It's chaos, y'all. This is crazy. That's the tray I was using, that cooking thing. Here, you gotta shake it or like.
Yeah, just shaking the tray.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We gotta make noise with it because they ain't coming. Oh my goodness, one just flew back. Hey! No, get off! Get off! Come on, chicken! Chicken! Chicken, 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 chicken! Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is not going well. Oh yeah, maybe if they hear the eating, oh my goodness. Should have hopped in there. Yeah, they're starting to hear, oh my god. Hey! Hey! No! No! Get off! Oh, come on. I think that might be all of them except the freaking Easter egger up in the tree. The Easter eggers hate being locked up. They hate being locked up, so it's so hard to get them. Yeah, you guys know how it is. Y'all know. That's where your food is, chickens. Maybe leave some out just in case we gotta lure them again. But yeah, pour all of it in there. See if they go in. Come on, guys. This is majority of them. I don't know if we're gonna get that one in the tree over there. Can't even see it. It blends in. Can't really see it. Come on, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so hard catching chickens. We gotta find a door for them. Oh, they're going in. Oh my goodness. Guys, please. Why? What are you doing?
Black one hasn't found food.
That one is trying to get in the tree. This one is going back to the IBC toad. Another one in. Come on. Come on. Come on, red one. You know you want it. Go in there. Go in there. You got a door for them? Use that wood pallet over there. Oh my goodness. We got 2 left in the trees. I think we got 3 chickens left out. We need to shut them in though. We need a door. I'm scared they're gonna fly out. And I don't know what to use as a door.
I like they're using the trees though.
We might have to leave these.
Yeah, I was thinking. As long as they don't get on the water.
Yeah. That's the only thing.
That's what I was about to say. I don't mind the red one. It's just this one. Right?
Yeah, this one's not smart enough. It's insane. We're trying to save the last chickens we have. Okay, it's going crazy. Y'all hear that? It's going crazy. Dang, they're coming out, Zay. They're coming out. Oh.